Hello everyone, my name is Sushmita Roy and welcome to Sipping Sai. In today's video, we are going to learn about science and some of the very basic terminologies. So let's get started. What is science? Science is an attempt to understand the natural world by thinking rigorously and getting some idea, information, and theory as a result of such thinking. And do you think that's enough? And the answer would be no. The success of science depends on these ideas that need to be tested, observed, reproduced, and must have some measurable values. That will lay as a foundation to conduct advanced experiments that might lead to some innovations. So, how the science is progressing in this world? There are laws that we use to conduct scientific experiments. These laws doesn't change and are the basis of new innovation, discoveries and advancement in science. So, scientific ideas are useful when these ideas can be reproducibly substantiated or justified and can be used to produce new phenomena. Let us now look at the scientific methods. These are the collection of paths that a scientist or a researcher use to unfold the scientific mystery. So, what is the difference between the hypothesis and the scientific theory? Hypothesis is an assumption or proposed explanation that is made based on the observation but need to be investigated, whereas the scientific theory is an idea that has been tested to some extent and provides an explanation for the observation. The theory that can be tested and built upon further investigation and lay the foundation for advancement and new innovations. So, who are the scientists? Scientists are the ones who rigorously apply the scientific method to understand the natural world. Merely having an advanced degree doesn't make one scientist, nor the lack of such a degree prevent one from making important scientific contributions. A scientist must be willing to challenge any idea when new findings demand it. The ideas that a scientist accepts must be based on measurable, reproducible observations, and the scientist must report these observations with complete honesty. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and also turn on the bell notification to get the latest video updates. Till then, bye bye, see you in the next one.